Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to log in to ChatGPT. So go for your Google browser and search for ChatGPT. Okay, then you can see a page like this. Then go for login. If you have an account, then go for login. You can go for continue with Google, or you can enter your email address from here and enter your password from here also. Okay, then when you are done, go for next, and you can see your profile has been logged in. So this is how you can log into chat gpt. Hope this video helped to you. If it did, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.